Trulicity, a breakthrough type 2 diabetes treatment. Are you tired of struggling to control your blood sugar levels with type 2 diabetes? Meet Trulicity, the breakthrough treatment that's changing the game for people with type 2 diabetes. This cutting-edge medication mimics the action of GLP-1, a hormone that helps regulate insulin and blood sugar levels, leading to improved blood sugar control and a reduction of the risk of cardiovascular events. With clinical trials showing patients losing weight and improving their overall quality of life, Trulicity is a game-changer. Plus, with a convenient once-weekly dosing schedule, it's easy to stick to your treatment plan. In this video, we'll be diving deep into everything you need to know about Trulicity, including its benefits, side effects, and how it can help you take control of your type 2 diabetes. So, get ready to be excited about the future of type 2 diabetes treatment because Trulicity is here. Trulicity, also known as dulaglutide, is a breakthrough treatment for type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition characterized by high blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is caused by the body's inability to properly use insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Trulicity works by mimicking the action of GLP-1, a hormone that helps to regulate insulin and blood sugar levels. One of the main advantages of Trulicity is its high level of efficacy. In clinical trials, the medication was shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events in people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, Trulicity has been shown to help patients lose weight and improve their overall quality of life. Another advantage of Trulicity is its convenient dosing schedule. The medication is given as a once-weekly subcutaneous injection, which makes it easier for patients to stick to their treatment plan, which is crucial for the effectiveness of the medication. Trulicity is generally well tolerated, with the most common side effects being nausea and diarrhea. However, these side effects are usually mild and can be managed by a healthcare provider. It's important to note that Trulicity should not be used in patients with a history of serious stomach or intestinal problems, as it can increase the risk of these problems. If you have type 2 diabetes and are considering taking Trulicity, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider to discuss the potential benefits and risks of the medication. In conclusion, Trulicity is a breakthrough treatment for type 2 diabetes. Its high level of efficacy, convenient dosing schedule, and good tolerability make it an excellent choice for many patients. However, as with any medication, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider to discuss the potential benefits and risks before starting treatment. Regular monitoring of blood glucose levels, and lifestyle changes such as healthy diet and regular exercise, are also important to achieve optimal results.